Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now learn about the adjectives, kata sifat. Nah, jadi selama ini kita belajar fokusnya pada kata kerja. Sekarang kita mulai kepada kata sifat. Nah, kata sifat ini biasanya dia dipakai bersama to be. Am, are, is, was, were, being. Ya. Jadi misalnya kita mengatakan saya kaya misalnya gitu, nggak boleh I rich, nggak boleh. Tapi I'm rich. Kamu kaya, you are rich. Dia kaya, he is rich. Apakah kamu kaya? Are you rich? Apakah kamu terlambat? Are you late? Mengapa kamu terlambat? Why are you late? Semacam itu. Jadi dalam adjektif ini kalimat-kalimat kita tidak menggunakan do, does, did sama sekali. Jadi hanya menggunakan am, are, is, was, were, been. Oke, kita mulai ya. Baca adjektif ini ya bersama-sama. Oke. Expensive, cheap, clever, stupid, rich, poor, beautiful, ugly, long, short, big, small, strong, kuat, weak, lemah, old, tua, young, muda, wide, lebar, narrow, sempit, thin, kurus, tipis, fat, gemuk, thick, tebal, thin, far, near, wet, dry, fast, slow, happy, sad, rude, soft, quiet, crowded, good, bad, heavy, berat, light, ringan, dark, gelap, light, terang, polite, impolite, tall, high, low, sour, sweet, salty, bitter, pahit, hot, cold, brown. Ya, brown artinya coklat. Okay. Warm, cool, kind, cruel, fierce, galak, calm, kalem, wild, buas, tame, jinak, deep, dalam, shallow, dangkal, intelligent, foolish, clear, unclear, brave, afraid, empty, full, friendly, proud, busy, slippery. Important, penting. Unimportant, tak penting. Tired, payah. Fresh, fit, segar. Extravagant, boros. Economical, hemat. Many, much. Little, generous, stingy, generous, barren, patient, impatient, careful, careless, funny, grave, envy, jealous, clean, dirty, clear, unclear, strange, civilized, interesting, honest, soft, hard, handsome, sharp, blunt, stubborn, bundle, mad, normal, satisfied, comfortable, delicious, disappointed, ashamed, perfect, lively, shy, fair, humble, wise, right, wrong, bored, bosan, sleepy, ngantuk. Yeah, after learning the adjective, now let's have a conversation too. The use of to be. Am, are, is, was, were, been. Oke, jadi to be itu digunakan untuk apa saja? Ya, kita lihat dari nomor 1 sampai nomor 6. Ya, place, ya, tempat. Profession, profesi, pekerjaan, menggunakan to be. Condition, kesehatan. Karakteristik, sifat-sifat orang. Age, usia. Nationality. Kemudian nanti ada nomor 7, itu adjectives. Ya, jadi semua kata yang masuk kategori adjective menggunakan to be. Okay, let's begin now. Mari kita mulai. Where are you? Di mana Anda? I'm in Denpasar. Saya ada di Denpasar. What are you? Apa profesimu? Apa pekerjaanmu? I'm a student. Saya seorang pelajar. Saya seorang mahasiswa. How are you? Bagaimana kondisimu? Atau apa kabar? I'm very well. Saya sehat. Saya baik. Baik-baik saja. What are you like? Bagaimana sifatmu? I'm honest. How old are you? Berapa usiamu? I'm 19 years old. Saya berusia 19 tahun. I'm 19 years, boleh. I'm 19 juga oke. Okay. What is your nationality? Apa kebangsaanmu? Apa kewarganegaraanmu? Kamu warga negara apa? I'm an Indonesian. Saya seorang Indonesia. I'm a Dutch. Saya seorang Belanda. He is a Chinese. Dia seorang Cina. Where were you yesterday? Di mana Anda kemarin? I was in Jakarta. Where will you be tomorrow? I will be in Bandung. Oke. Okay. Nah, kemudian nomor 7 tadi, ya, subject, be, adjective, ya. Jadi caranya kita menyusun seperti itu. I'm satisfied. Saya puas. You are late. Kamu terlambat. He is very tired. Dia sangat capek. Dia sangat payah. Dia sangat lelah. This room is too small. Ruangan ini terlalu kecil. Jadi dia tidak mau ruangan itu, dia ingin ruangan yang lebih besar. Kemudian kita lihat mana yang pakai was, mana pakai were untuk lampau. Ya, untuk lampau. Jadi to be dalam bentuk lampau. Ya, I, she, he, it menggunakan was, dan you, we, they menggunakan were. Oke. Jadi kita baca yang lampau. I was disappointed. Saya kecewa. Bukan sekarang ya. Kecewanya di waktu lampau. She was sick last week. Dia sakit minggu yang lalu. He was very sad. Dia sangat sedih. It was very weak. Dia ya, untuk binatang ya, mungkin anjing, kucing. Was very weak. Dia sangat lemah. You were too busy. Kamu terlalu sibuk. We were very happy. Kami sangat bahagia di waktu lampau. They were too stubborn. Mereka terlalu bandel. Oke. Jadi kalau kita jadikan negatif, gampang. I'm not satisfied. Saya tidak puas. You aren't late. Kamu tidak terlambat. He isn't very tired. Dia tidak sangat capek. This room isn't too small. Oke. Itu juga kalau kita buat kalimat tanya. Tinggal kata bantu ini pindahkan ke depan. Was I disappointed yesterday? Apakah saya kecewa kemarin? Was she sick last week? Ya, apakah dia sakit minggu yang lalu? Okay. How was she last week? Bagaimana kondisinya kemarin? Okay. Ya, kita tinggal berlatih saja. Oke. Sekarang kita masuk pada the degrees of comparison. Tingkat perbandingan. Jadi tingkat perbandingan ini dengan menggunakan kata-kata sifat yang tadi sudah kita pelajari itu. Ya. Jadi dalam adjektif itu mempunyai 3 tingkat, yaitu positif, comparative, and superlative. Ya. Jadi kita mengatakan sudah young, younger, youngest. Muda, lebih muda, termuda. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Mahal, lebih mahal, termahal. Jadi comparison, perbandingan, dinyatakan dengan memberikan akhiran er dan est atau kata mo dan mus. Oke. Nah, kemudian peraturan-peraturannya ya seperti ini. Tambahan er dan est. Ya. Dan sebelahnya tambahan mo dan mus. Ya, tambahan er dan est positif satu suku kata. Tall, taller, tallest. Ya. Dua positif dua suku kata yang berakhiran y, er, ow, le. Ya, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Shallow, dangkal. Shallower, lebih dangkal. Shallowest, terdangkal. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. Ya. Jadi yang satu suku kata, dua suku kata. Kalau Anda bertanya, Pak Rafiq, dari mana kita tahu dia satu suku kata, dua atau tiga? Yang paling mudah adalah kita ucapkan kata itu. Kalau sekali ucap, dia satu suku kata. Dua kali ucap, maka dia dua suku kata, dan tiga kali ucapan menjadi tiga suku kata. Ya, contoh, long, satu suku kata. Cheap, satu suku kata. Oke. Nah, kemudian kalau ada easy, berapa suku kata? Nah, tentu 2. Oke. Expensive, berapa suku kata? Tentu ada menjawab 3 suku kata. Ya, jadi 1, 2, atau 3 seperti itu. Nah, kemudian sebelah kanan ada tambahan more dan most, positif 3 suku kata atau lebih. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Dan 2, positif 2 suku kata yang berakhiran full, less, ish, os, ing, at, etc. Useful, more useful, most useful. Berguna, lebih berguna, paling berguna. Famous, more famous, most famous. Careless, more careless, most careless. Selfish, more selfish, most selfish. Oke. Kemudian positif 2 suku kata yang dapat mempergunakan kedua bentuk di atas. Artinya apa? Dia bisa menggunakan er dan st, bisa juga menggunakan more dan most. Yaitu beberapa positif yang berakhiran er. Clever bisa menjadi cleverer, cleverest, atau clever, more clever, most clever. Positif yang berakhiran away, narrow, narrower, narrowest. Positif yang berakhiran some, handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Handsomer, handsomest. Okay. Lainnya polite, sincere, severe, common, pleasant, cruel, quiet, stupid. Okay. Kemudian di dalam masalah penulisan, ya, ada catatan dalam memberikan tambahan er dan est perlu diperhatikan beberapa hal. 1, akhiran y yang didahului sebuah konsonan diubah menjadi i. Di lively, livelier, liveliest. 2, akhiran konsonan yang didahului sebuah vowel di akhiran huruf mati yang didahului sebuah huruf hidup digandakan. Big, ya, maka tambah dulu g-nya 1 lagi, ya, bigger, biggest. Kemudian nomor 3, akhiran e dibuang. Large, ya, dibuang dulu e-nya, baru tambah er dan est. Larger, largest. Oke. Nah, kemudian ada pula exception, ya. Exception ini cuma 7 kata ini saja, ya. Dia tidak menggunakan aturan di atas. Jadi dia exception, perkecualian. Jadi positif, comparative, superlative. Jadi setelah good, ya, tidak boleh jadi gooder, goodest. Ini dalam perkecualian dia. Good, better, best. Bagus, lebih bagus, terbagus. Bad, worse, worst. Father, far, father, farthest. Jauh, lebih jauh, terjauh. Far, further, furthest. Little, less, least. Sedikit, lebih sedikit, paling sedikit. Many dan much perubahannya sama, ya. More, most. Jadi many, more, most for countable noun, much, more, most for uncountable noun. Oke. Nah, kiranya Anda sepakat dengan saya bahwa peraturan-peraturan di atas itu dalam degrees of comparison, dalam tingkat perbandingan, adalah sukar sekali dicerna, ya, sukar sekali kita, ya. Maka anak SMP SMA juga kesulitan dalam masalah ini, ya. Tetapi setiap ujian SMP SMA selalu ada degrees of comparison. Oleh karena itu, Mr. Rafiq memberikan penyederhanaannya, ya. Jadi peraturan di atas itu bisa kita sederhanakan sehingga mudah kita kuasai, ya, yaitu kita lihat di sini peraturan di atas dapat silakan menjadi sebagai berikut. Tambahan ER dan EST positif satu suku kata dan dua suku kata yang berakhiran yerole. Ya, jadi kita sambung aja dari YEROWLE menjadi yerole. Nah, kemudian yang mendapat tambahan more dan most positif lainnya. Artinya selain itu pakai more dan most, sehingga kita dengan mudah bisa mengerti itu. Ya, jadi begitu Anda dapat kata cheap, masuk dalam peraturan itu. Cheaper, cheapest. Dapat kata tall, taller, tallest. Kita berani, pede kita menyampaikan itu. Ya. Kemudian ada early. Ya, ya, masuk yerole. Earlier, earliest. Clever. Ya. Kan begitu. Cleverer, cleverest. Berani kita. Oke. Nah, kemudian misalnya kita dapat kata stupid. Wah, tidak ada di situ. More stupid, most stupid. Oke. Nah, tinggal Anda berlatih saja dengan nama 17. Anda lihat adjektif itu Anda jadikan 3. Ya, jadikan 3. Positif, comparative, and superlative. Oke, selamat memakai. Oke. Ya. Nah, kemudian sekarang kita coba lanjut ya. Melihat apa namanya? Kata-kata seperti saya, kamu, kita, mereka, dia, dan lain sebagainya itu sebagai subjek bagaimana, sebagai objek seperti apa. Oke. Nah, jadi kita bisa lihat di sini ya. Ada subjek, di tengah ada possessive artinya kepemilikan, kemudian ada objek. Ya. Oke. Nah, kita lihat subjek objeknya dulu ya, subjek objek. Oke. Oke. Nama subjek ya saya I, objeknya me, dan you objeknya you, we objeknya us, kan begitu dan seterusnya. Oke. Nah, yang di tengah posesif bentuk kepunyakan kepemilikan ada dua macam. Kalau pakai yang di depan seperti my misalnya harus ditambahkan nounnya, artinya kata bendanya harus masuk di sana. Oke. Nah, kalau yang di belakang mine tidak boleh ada bendanya. Jadi contohnya misalnya my house, rumahku. Kalau mine punya. Ya. Jadi sekarang kita menghafalkan itu, kita baca dari kiri ke kanan. I, my, mine, me. Ya, mulai. You, your, yours, you. We, our, ours, us. They, their, theirs, them. He, his, him. She, her, hers, her. It, its, it. Okay? Ya. Nah, kemudian kita sampai kepada fill in the blanks. Ya, ini adalah pengulangan pelajaran keseluruhan. Pelajaran keseluruhan ada pada halaman 23 dan 24. Ya. Ya, ada keseluruhan ya. Fill in the blank ada pada halaman-halaman ini ya, di fill in the blank. Anda nanti bisa lihat, oke, dengan baik. Oke. Nah, kalau Anda lihat dari nomor 1 sampai 10 ini, kita lihat dari kebiasaan, sedang, hendak, ingin, akan, lampau, sudah, dan sudah sedang. Semuanya ada di sini. Oke. Nah, jadi di sini Anda berlatih membuat kalimat tanya dalam bentuk yang sudah benar sebanyak-banyaknya. Karena biasanya kesalahan ada di sini. Ya, kesalahan kita. Ya, orang dengar karena dalam bahasa Indonesia tidak dikenal yang namanya kata bantu. untuk menjadikan kalimat negatif dan kalimat tanya. Oke, ada. Jadi dalam bahasa Indonesia, kalau kita misalnya ada kalimat berita, misalnya mereka membeli buah-buahan. Kalau misalnya kita di mana, kita tinggal taruh di mana aja di depan kalimat berita. Di mana mereka membeli buah-buahan. Tuh. Dalam bahasa Inggris tidak bisa begitu. Harus ada kata bantunya sebagai indikator dari pertanyaan kita. Oke, maka kita mulai ya. Sebanyak-banyaknya. Jadi Anda isi yang blank, yang kosong itu dengan kata lainnya. Ya, jadi latihan sebanyak-banyaknya. Tapi kalau kita punya waktu sedikit, kita tambahin satu-satu saja. Betul kan gitu. Secara lisan. Nah, kita punya waktu lebih banyak, mungkin kita kasih 3 tambah aja. Kita punya waktu lebih banyak lagi, 7 kita kasih. Ya, berlatih sebanyak-banyaknya. Jadi menggunakan kata-kata kerja yang kita kuasai. Oke. Ya, mudah-mudahan dengan cara ini kita menambah perbenaran kata kita, memperkaya perbenaran kata-kata kita. Oke, kita mulai dari nomor 1. What do you do every morning? Apa yang kamu lakukan setiap pagi? What do you provide every afternoon? Apa yang Anda sediakan setiap sore? What do you drink every evening? Apa yang kamu minum setiap malam? Oke, nah sekarang yang kosong itu kita isi. Ya, misalnya, what do you eat every week? What do you take every week? Yeah. What do you misalnya apa? Anda mesti tahu, ya. What do you read every week? Oke, kita masuk nomor 2. What are you reading? Ada B dan E, artinya sedang. Apa yang kamu sedang baca? Andai kata kalau kita menjawabnya, I'm reading Kartini magazine. Saya sedang membaca majalah Kartini. Misalnya begitu. What are you writing? What are you correcting? Ya. What are you thinking about? What are you learning? Okay. Number 3. What are you going to repair? Apa yang kamu mau perbaiki? What are you going to submit? Apa yang kamu mau serahkan? I'm going to submit my report. What are you going to buy? What are you going to write? What are you going to say? What are you going to do? Okay, number 4. When are you going to fly to London? Kapan Anda mau terbang ke London? Ya, then the answer, I'm going to fly to London next month. Jawaban singkat misalnya, ya, when are you going to fly to London next month? When are you going to import the goods? Okay, today, hari ini. When are you going to meet Mr. Smith? Tonight, malam ini. When are you going to discuss this matter? When are you going to swim? When are you going to play football? And so on. Okay. 5. What would you like to eat? I would like to eat hamburger. What would you like to drink? I would like to drink orange juice. What would you like to order? I would like to order seafood. What would you like to report? What would you like to do? Okay, 6. How long would you like to stay here? I would like to stay here for 3 days. How long would you like to take a rest? How long would you like to swim? How long would you like to work in Bali? Berapa lama Anda ingin bekerja di Bali? Okay, number 7. Where will you go in 2 days? Kemana kamu akan pergi 2 hari lagi? Ya, I will go to Semarang. I will go to California. Yeah. Okay. When will he go in 3 weeks? Tokyo. When will they go in 4 hours? School. When will the president go in 5 months? He will go to Middle East. Beliau akan pergi ke Timur Tengah. What did you do this morning? I went to Bandung. What did you buy yesterday? I bought a beautiful bag. What did you write 2 days ago? I wrote a proposal. What did you take last week? I took a dictionary. What have you done? I have eaten fried rice. What have you chosen? I have chosen a beautiful t-shirt. What have you fed? I have fed my birds. What have you drunk? I have drunk mango juice. How long have you been working? I have been working for 2 years. How long have you been cooking? I have been cooking for 3 hours. How long have you been reading? I have been reading for 45 minutes. How long have you been waiting for a bus? I have been waiting for a bus for 35 minutes. Yeah, now we'll see. Yeah, this is, we try with the use of to be. Yeah, the use of to be. The last lesson you have got. Okay, let's try. Where is Susan? She is in Jakarta. Where is your supervisor? He is at his office. Where is her elder brother? He is on the beach. Where is your teacher? He is in the classroom. Okay. What is Mr. Johnson? He is a doctor. What is Miss Helen? She is a nurse. What is Farida? Yeah, she is a typist. What is your father? He is a businessman. How is your mother? She is very well. How is his uncle? Yeah, he is getting better. How is my teacher? She is very well, thanks. How is your daughter? She is fine. Okay. What is our uncle like? Bagaimana sifat paman kita? He is wise. Dia bijaksana. What is John like? Oh, he is very friendly. What is her aunt like? She is very kind. Yeah. What is your mother like? Yeah. She is very kind and friendly. How old are you? I am 23 years old. How old are we? We are 40 years old. How old are Jones? How old are Jones and Diana? They are 25 years old. How old are Ali and Helen? Ali is 20 years old and Helen is 17 years old. 16. Where will you be tomorrow? I will be in Bali. Where will she be tomorrow? She will be in Papua. Where will they be tomorrow? They will be in the garden. Where will your mother be tomorrow? She will be at home. Why don't you attend the meeting? Yeah, repeat once more. Why didn't you attend the meeting yesterday? Because I was sick. Why didn't he swim 2 days ago? Because he was sick. Why didn't the guests, why didn't they assist me last night? Because they are too busy. Why didn't you come yesterday? Because I was too tired. 18. Why won't you come tomorrow? Because I will be busy. Why won't you drive to Surabaya? Because it is too far. Why won't you have breakfast here? Because I have had breakfast at home. Why won't you work in Australia? Because Indonesia, my country, is very rich. How will she go to Jakarta? By plane. How will she come here? She will come here by taxi. How will she go to Sanur Beach? On foot, jalan kaki. How will she go to California? By Garuda. When did you see her? I saw her just now. When did you write to him? I wrote to him 2 days ago. When did you pay your debt? Kapan Anda membayar hutang Anda? I paid my debt last month. When did you see Lisa? I saw Lisa 2 days ago. Yeah, after having some exercise, now let's continue with a test. Yeah, okay. First of all, yeah, please translate these sentences yourself. Yeah, I will read the English one. You say in Indonesian, Jack comes here twice a week. Susan is waiting for you at the bus terminal. Yeah, so you follow me first and then translate into Indonesian. Yeah, repeat once more. Jack comes here twice a week. Susan is waiting for you at the bus terminal. 3. They are going to stay at our hotel for 3 days. I would like to order medium sirloin steak. He will make up 20 rooms tomorrow. Mr. Smith went to Jakarta a few days ago. I have told him about your proposal. They have been serving meals for 30 minutes. Number 9. You live in Denpasar. Richard is selling tickets. I am going to explain it to you. She would like to accompany her guests. They will leave Jakarta as soon as possible. You chose the blue one. He has paid his debt. Dia telah membayar hutangnya. Mr. Brown has been teaching English since 1978. Sejak 1978. 17. I can pay by credit card. I must stand by. You will have to pay a deposit. Anna would help you in any way possible. She could show you the way to the post office. You need some information. I will do my best. I must be able to speak English fluently. There is some sugar on the table over there. Ada gula di atas meja sebelah sana. Mr. Rafiq is in, but Miss Kate is off. Pak Rafiq masuk, tapi Nona Kate libur. The bottle opener is in the bathroom. She is in Jakarta. Mr. and Mrs. Harrison are doctors. Miss Helen was ill a few days ago. Hadi has been ill since Monday. Mr. Douglas is talkative. Miss Honey is smart. Ya, Nona Honey terampil. Barbara is 24 years old. Mary will be 17 years old next month. You are an American. He was in Jakarta yesterday. Dia berada di Jakarta kemarin. He is in Denpasar today. Dia berada di Denpasar hari ini. He will be in London tomorrow. Dia akan berada di London besok. There are some books in my room. Ada beberapa buku di ruangan saya. Jadi tes ini ya, please make ya change into negative. Then question A and question B. The question B, the answer is the red sentences. Ya, kalimat-kalimat yang berwarna merah sebagai jawaban daripada question B. Ya, so stay ya, please change into negative question A and question B. Okay, now let's learn about numbers. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, to make you familiar to mention numbers. Okay. Yeah. Let's begin now. Yeah, follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, repeat several times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah. If you can count the 20, then you can count continuously until million, yeah, until billion. Okay? Yeah. Okay, we continue, yeah? 21, 22, 33, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 300, 500, 750, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 5 billion, 7 trillion. Okay, and then you can continue yourself. Yeah, you try, practice yourself. Yeah, from now on until 40. You can have also the standard, yeah, like the last column, to the right column, okay. The right column is 105. You can say 105. 250. 250. 3,450. Use as a standard. Okay, please practice yourself. Okay, practice yourself as much as possible. Practice your English as much as possible. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention and good cooperation.
How I missed her, how I missed her, how I missed my Clementine. But I kissed her little sister, I forgot my Clementine.